Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kish. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to play worship chord progression on keyboard R3. Using this song, I'm no longer a slave. So I'm doing this on the key of F. For general understanding. So this very song, the progression is your I'm no longer. Back to your do. I will explain it further. So the number pattern, your 4, your 5, your 3, your 6, your 4, 5, back to your 1. So I'm playing, this is your F, the first octave, the second octave. So I'm using the second inversion, not octave. Your F, first inversion, second inversion. Hope you're getting it. So see, on my left I play my Do. So Do, that is your 1, your 5 and your 1. So I just played a kind of voicing the song. As your Mi, Sol, but on your left you play your Fa. Hope you're getting it again. So, Mi, Sol, Mi. You play your La. Understand? Again. Playing the chord on your left, and with this you're voicing it. Hope I'm not too fast. So again, I'm no see what I did here. I am a child of God, but me, your mi, re, di, re, mi, so, fa. It's very simple. That's what I did. Mi, re, di, re, mi, so, fa. Your so. Do. So from the top again, something like see the movement. Mi so la, mi so la. On your left you maintain your chord. So on your left, you don't just play it like this. You can just something like arpeggio. You understand? Again. right. Once you play your la, you now do this. Your mi re di re mi so fa. A child. It's very simple. Hope you are getting it. So if you want to master it, after watching this tutorial, you practice it, then you get it. Let me play with the beat again. This is how to play a worship chord, and it sounds very nice on keyboard. Please guys, if you learn something here, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, drop your comments. I'll still bring the part 4, part 5, and the rest. Thank you guys. God bless.